Understanding CSS color codes.
CSS color codes let you style your website with vibrant colors. You can use several formats to define colors in CSS, but the most common are hex codes, RGB values, and color names. Each format offers different advantages and flexibility, making it easy to get the exact look you want for your site.
HEX color codes explained.
Hex codes are 6-digit codes that start with a hashmark symbol, like hashmark FF5733. Each pair of digits represents red, green, or blue values, using numbers and letters. Hex codes are widely used because they are short, easy to copy and paste, and supported by all browsers for almost any color you need.
How RGB values work.
Red, green, blue, with each color number from 0 to 255. For example, RGB 255 AV7 51 gives you a bright orange. RGB lets you fine-tune colors easily, especially if you want to add opacity with RGBA, creating subtle visual effects.
Using named colors in CSS.
Named colors are simple words like red, blue, or light green. There are over 140 recognized names in CSS, making it easy to use basic colors without memorizing codes. While named colors are quick and convenient, they're best for standard shades rather than specific hues.
Choosing the right format.
When styling your site, choose the color format that best fits your needs. Hex codes are great for designers and consistent branding. RGB is perfect for mixing colors and using transparency. Named colors are ideal for simple, fast styles. With these tools, adding color to your website becomes easy and creative.